If you're a parent and your child just submitted their FAFSA form, there's one important step that might still be waiting: your signature. Without it, the application won't be considered complete. Now to sign the form, the first thing you'll need is your own studentaid.gov account. If you don't already have one, you can create it by visiting the website and choosing the option to make a new account. Just make sure the personal details you use, like your name and date of birth, match what your child entered on their application. Once you're all set, go to studentaid.gov and log in with your username and password. After logging in, head over to the My Activities section. This is where you'll find the FAFSA form you've been asked to review. Click on the correct submission and you'll be taken to the details page for that form. From there, look for the option that says Provide Signatures. Select that and follow the prompts to sign and submit your part of the form. And that's really it. Once you've signed it, the application is considered complete and can move forward in the financial aid process. Just remember, if you or the student update any part of the form later on, your signature may be needed again. So it's always a good idea to double-check everything before submitting.